Hi everyone, and welcome to my English conversation practice channel. My name is Charlotte, and I'm here to help you improve your English skills. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, I have something for you. I've created a series of cartoon animation conversation videos that cover a wide range of topics, from everyday conversations to more formal situations. So, what are you waiting for? Come join me and let's start learning English together. Hey Amelia, can you please help me with something?
Sure, what's it about?
It's about stress and anxiety. I've been feeling really stressed and anxious lately, and I don't know how to manage it.
I know how you feel. Stress and anxiety are a normal part of life, but they can be overwhelming at times. There are a few things you can do to manage stress and anxiety.
Like what?
First, it's important to identify the sources of your stress and anxiety. Once you know what's causing you stress, you can start to develop strategies for coping with it.
I think the main source of my stress is school. I have a lot of assignments and exams coming up, and I'm worried about not doing well.
That's understandable. School can be a major source of stress for a lot of people. Here are a few tips for managing school stress. Create a schedule and stick to it as much as possible. This will help you stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will make them seem less daunting. Take breaks throughout the day to relax and recharge. Get up and move around, or do something you enjoy. Ask for help when you need it. Don't be afraid to talk to your teachers, classmates, or family members about how you're feeling.
Those are all great tips. I'll try to follow them.
Another thing that can help reduce stress and anxiety is exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week.
I've been trying to exercise more, but it's hard to find the time.
I know it can be tough, but it's important to make time for yourself. Even a short walk or some stretching can make a difference.
You're right. I'll try to make more time for exercise.
Finally, it's important to get enough sleep. When you're well rested, you're better able to cope with stress and anxiety. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night.
I've been having trouble sleeping lately. Any tips?
Try establishing a regular sleep schedule and sticking to it as much as possible, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that includes winding down for 30 minutes before bed. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed.
Thanks for all the advice, Amelia. I'm really grateful for your help.
You're welcome, Charlotte. I'm glad I could help. Remember, you're not alone in this. Stress and anxiety are common experiences, and there are things you can do to manage them. Also, don't hesitate to reach out if you ever need someone to talk to. Sometimes just talking about what's stressing you out can help you feel better.
Thanks, Amelia. I appreciate that.
And remember, stress and anxiety don't have to control your life. There are things you can do to take charge of your well-being and manage these feelings in a healthy way.
I'm going to try my best to implement what we've discussed today. I'm feeling more hopeful already.
That's great to hear, Charlotte. Just take things one step at a time, and don't be discouraged if you have setbacks along the way. Managing stress and anxiety is an ongoing process, but it's definitely achievable.
Thanks for your encouragement, Amelia. I'm feeling more confident about my ability to handle stress now.
You're welcome, Charlotte. And remember, I'm always here for you if you need anything.
That means a lot to me, Amelia. Thank you for being such a supportive friend.
You're welcome, Charlotte. Anytime.
Amelia, I've been following your advice for managing stress and anxiety, and I'm feeling much better.
That's great to hear, Charlotte. I'm so glad it's helping you.
I've been making a conscious effort to identify my stress triggers and develop coping strategies for each one. It's been really helpful.
That's the key to managing stress effectively. When you understand what's causing your stress, you can take steps to avoid or minimize those triggers.
I've also been incorporating more exercise into my routine, and it's made a big difference. I feel more energized and less stressed overall.
Exercise is a great way to release tension and boost your mood. It's also beneficial for your physical health.
I've also been trying to get a good night's sleep every night. It's been challenging, but I'm noticing that I'm able to handle stress better when I'm well rested.
Sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. When you're sleep deprived, you're more susceptible to stress and anxiety.
I'm still working on finding a balance between my schoolwork and self-care, but I'm making progress.
It's important to remember that self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for your overall well-being. When you take care of yourself, you're better equipped to handle stress and thrive in all aspects of your life.
Thanks for reminding me of that, Amelia. I'll continue to prioritize my self-care and use the strategies we've discussed to manage stress effectively.
You're on the right track, Charlotte. Just keep practicing self-compassion and be patient with yourself. Managing stress is an ongoing process, but you're making great strides.
I appreciate your support, Amelia. Your advice has been invaluable to me.
You're welcome, Charlotte. I'm always here to help.
Amelia, I'm so glad I reached out to you about my stress and anxiety. Your advice has been life-changing.
I'm so happy to hear that, Charlotte. It's always rewarding to know that I've been able to help someone.
I've learned so much about stress management and the importance of self-care. I'm no longer afraid of feeling stressed or anxious because I know how to cope with it effectively.
That's an empowering mindset, Charlotte. Remember, stress and anxiety are normal emotions, and everyone experiences them from time to time. The key is being able to manage them in a healthy way.
Exactly. I'm no longer letting stress control my life. I'm taking control and prioritizing my well-being.
That's the spirit, Charlotte. You're an inspiration to me. Your journey of self-discovery is a testament to your strength and resilience.
Thank you, Amelia. Your support has been invaluable throughout this process. I feel like I have a newfound appreciation for my mental health.
I'm so proud of you, Charlotte. You've come a long way, and I know you'll continue to thrive.
I'm confident in my ability to handle stress and anxiety now. I have the tools and strategies I need to maintain my well-being.
That's the beauty of personal growth, Charlotte. You've acquired knowledge and developed skills that will benefit you for a lifetime.
Thank you again, Amelia, for being such a wonderful friend and mentor. I'm grateful for your guidance and support.
You're more than welcome, Charlotte. Our friendship is a true gift, and I'm always here for you.
Amelia, I'm so glad we had this conversation. I feel like I've gained a deeper understanding of myself and my emotions.
I'm happy to hear that, Charlotte. Self-awareness is the first step towards personal growth and well-being.
I've realized that stress and anxiety are not signs of weakness. They are simply signals that my body and mind need attention.
That's a very important realization, Charlotte. It's crucial to listen to your body and mind and prioritize their needs.
I'm also learning to be more compassionate towards myself. I used to be very critical of my mistakes and shortcomings, but now I'm practicing self-acceptance.
Self-compassion is a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety. When you accept yourself for who you are, you can approach challenges with more resilience.
I'm also grateful for the support system I have in place. Friends like you, family, and my therapist have been instrumental in my journey of self-discovery.
A strong support system is essential for navigating the ups and downs of life. It's important to have people who understand and care about you.
I feel more empowered to take control of my life and pursue my goals. I'm no longer letting stress and anxiety hold me back.
That's the spirit, Charlotte. You have the power to create a life that is fulfilling and meaningful.
I'm excited to see what the future holds. I'm confident that I can achieve anything I set my mind to.
I have no doubt about it, Charlotte. You have the strength, resilience, and determination to make your dreams a reality.
Thank you, Amelia, for believing in me. Your faith in me has given me the confidence to soar.
You're welcome, Charlotte. I'm always here to support you and celebrate your successes.
Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.